How to scavenge for raw materials in darkest days. Basic scrap isn't enough for high-tier gear. Here's how to scavenge for raw materials in darkest days. Rare materials like electronic parts and titanium are found in specific buildings. Look for hardware stores, hospitals, or military tents. These locations have a higher spawn rate for the advanced components that you need for weapon upgrades. Keep an eye out for glowing crates. On PC, you can see the rarity color from a distance. Purple and gold containers always hold rare resources. Don't leave these behind, even if your inventory is full. Pro tip: hold the Alt key while exploring. This highlights all interactable loot containers in your immediate area, ensuring you never walk past a hidden chest or rare component again. Happy hunting, survivor! Like and subscribe for more scavenging guides.